Sometimes printing as PDF enables to keep original layout and formatting on any device. In this video, I'll show you how to get it done using PDFelement. Open a file made by Windows application, like Word. Then navigate to the File menu and click Print. Choose PDFelement as the printer and click Print. Great! You have printed your Word file to PDF. You can also print Excel, PowerPoint, web page, and more to PDF in this simple way. To print the file to PDF faster, you can just click the Create PDF button and import the file to PDFelement. Then head to the File menu and pick PDFelement as the printer under the Print tab. Now click the Print button to print out. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Click the link in the description to try out PDFelement for free today, and we'll see you next time.